Hi, I'm Brandy, and today I'm going to be unboxing my very last Kokostyle box. This was a nice box. It's just not exactly what works for me. So this will be my last one. I might in the future, but I had to let a couple boxes go, and this was one of the ones that I chose to let go. So this is my last box. Comes in a mailer from Korea. Has a nice insert. Oop, I just looked that up. Okay. Aww. Wow. Nature Republic Brightening Wrinkle and Improvement Ginseng Royal Silk Trial Cake. Oh, wow, nice. Toner, emulsion, essence, eye cream, and watery cream. That's awesome. It's got a little information packet. Cool. Ironic that this was the last box. You can always get it again, but it's funny. That's pretty awesome. Sebum Out Oil Control Mist. Awesome. This was a little bit damaged, but Witty Vita Essence Lip Balm. Cute. Then we got Colorful Drawing Bouquet Rose Watercolor Blusher. Etude House. Hyaluronic Acid Sheet Mask by Misha. Oh my goodness. Oh, a 2019 sticker calendar. That is so cute. Adorable. Wow. So this is my favorite box by them. That's pretty funny. And this is Azaline Calming Gel. Calming and Healing Activator. Alright, let's read a little bit about this stuff. This was a really, really good box. Okay. Misha Mascure Hyaluronic Acid Mask. Colorful Drawing Watercolor Blusher. And I have the W Lab Sebum Out Oil Control Mist. It's pretty cool. I have the Rose Mine Azaline Soothing Calming Gel. Where is that? That's here. And then I have the Witty Vita Essence Lip Balm. And a gift for Style subscribers were the stickers. So this is not even on there. I wonder if you write a review for our box and send us a link, we'll give you a free gift. So maybe that's it. I don't know. I got a beautiful free gift. I really like it. This box has been pretty good. I'm going to leave the information in the link below so you could check it out and see what you think. This is Kokostyle. They also have like Coco Snacks, and they have 2 sizes of the style. My main issue was it was already 2 payments behind. So like I had paid for 2 boxes by the time I got my first one, and it was consistently that behind. And it's not any of their fault. It was over the holiday season. So I may try again, like maybe over the summer. But right now I am inundated with beauty products, so it's not a huge concern. I love it. I'm going to use almost everything in here. I especially love this and this and this. And of course always a mask. But for right now I'm taking a little break. So this is Kokostyle. They are a Korean beauty box. I will leave information in the description below. As always, give me some comments. Tell me what you think. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.